All right, guys, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this shawarma at home. Do you know with simple ingredients, you can also make your own shawarma? So watch the end and also help me to share. So I have cabbage here with me. I sliced it into smaller sizes. I added red pepper. I went in with chopped carrot. I added sausage and chicken as well. Then lastly, I'm going to go in with my mayo. You can use meat, you can use fish, whichever one you have is still going to come out nice. Next, I am going to mix it up nicely. Now tell me, after watching this video, are you going to try this at home? You don't need to spend your money buying shawarma. You can make it for yourself. Next, it is time to wrap our shawarma. Honestly, I am not a professional when it comes to wrapping shawarma. Like, I still dey learn big time. So guys, I try to wrap this shawarma the same way I saw in a video, but I couldn't because I don't know how to wrap it. I try my best to wrap it like the professional, but it didn't work out. So I decided to place foil before I try the pattern again. And guess what? It works. So this foil here is just going to help me wrap this shawarma nicely. So as you can see, I bent it the sideways and then I try to fold it and then I tuck it in. For the second wrap, I did the same thing, fold the side of the wrap and then you fold it again. I don't know whether I speak that English fine anyway, but just watch what I'm doing. If you don't understand, watch the video again. So gently fold it like this. And because I am not professional, I don't know how to wrap it nicely. So this is where my foil comes in. So I'll just use the foil now to roll it over again like this. And then that is it. Using the foil makes it easy and very neat. And you can leave it like this in your fridge for about 5 days. Just take a look at it. Today's special hug goes to Mazi, watching me all the way from Somalia. Thank you so much for always watching my video. I really appreciate. Do well to tell me where you're watching this video from so that on my next one, I'm going to send you a hug. And guys, if you find this video helpful, please help me to share it, okay? So that you get to more people. So once I'm done wrapping this shawarma like this, next I am going to use my pot to toast it. Guy, you are at home. You don't need to stress yourself and start getting all the instruments they are using to make shawarma. You can use your pots like this. So I place it on my frying pan and then I keep turning it every 1 minute because I don't want it to get burnt. And then that is it. Your shawarma is ready. So I'm just going to use my knife to cut it into two and show you guys how it looks. So guys, take a look at this. Does it look like something you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section. Trust me, you are going to like it. On my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own tortilla wrap. So stay tuned for that video, okay? And don't forget to help me share this video, okay? Thank you so much for watching. See you all on my next one. Bye.